First time I sit down and spill tea everywhere. Oh. Just gotta get used to it again. YouTube. It's been a while. Yeah, it's been a quiet month. I'm sorry about that. Had all sorts of bits going on in my life. So I didn't really feel like making videos, if I'm honest. However, that is about to change. Because basically, well actually I'll tell you what, let's rewind 12 hours and then we'll jump back. That's a good point actually. I need to adjust my clock. Not in England anymore. Everyone's pride and joy smacking into each other downstairs. Glad I brought this big coat. It's Baltic out here. Yeah, as you can see, no longer in England. This time's a little bit different because I'm on my own. It's all going to be a bit of an adventure. Not done it on my own before. From the videos you saw before, I was with girlfriend at the time. We're now not together anymore. That is basically why I didn't finish the series of videos from the previous trips, because obviously she was in all of them, and it just felt weird making them, to be honest. This is something I wanted to do for a long time. Obviously I've got the van, which actually looks quite different to the last time you guys saw it. Where did I leave you? Oh yeah, with doing the heater, weren't it? Yeah, that was a faff, but it's all in now. I will talk about that at some point, once I get settled in and figure out what I'm doing. I've literally come over here last night. I've got no plan, I don't know where I'm going. I just got money saved and figure it out as we go along. But I thought, why not bring you guys with me, eh? Because I'm going to need someone to talk to, even though right now I'm talking to a piece of glass. But last time I looked, there was over 2,000 of you, which is kind of insane. So I think it's only right that I bring you all along with me. Maybe we'll learn some new stuff on the way, like about people travelling on their own, or it might be helpful for you. I don't know. Definitely give me something to do. If you've got me on Instagram, then you'll have already known what was going on. If you haven't, then you probably should. Yeah, it's going to be a bit weird. It does feel weird talking to this again, but I'll soon get back into it. I don't know what I'm doing today. I've literally just woke up. It's like 2:30 in the afternoon. I went to bed about 7. Been a long old night, working all weekend, doing my last bits, and then on Sunday night about 10, 11, headed down to Dover. I was quite lucky actually, because when I got there, they let me jump straight on an earlier ferry, straight over. Found myself a little air. I'll show you in a minute. If you don't know what airs are, you will find out, because that's all I'm going to use. Not paying for campsites, because it's a waste of money. Let me show you around. I'm not sure how much I'm going to film today. Probably just a bit. Just want to get my bearings and everything, and then I'll figure out what's going on. You can see here though, can you? This is like one of the airs where I stayed last night. Basically, it's just motorhome parking, and it's free. And just in there's a bit where you can dump your water tanks and stuff. So I need to do that before I leave, because I forgot. Oh, shall we give you... I said the van's a bit different. Shall I give you a little sneaky preview? I will do like a proper video showing you everything that I've done. But she's a different colour. She's not white anymore. Let's go have a little explore. Lock the van up. There's the toilet dump, water dump down there. There she is. Not even sure where I am. Somehow I managed to come to the same air as when I did the first trip. I don't know if I'm on a road right now or walking to someone's house or what. Hey? How are you? Said hello to someone in English. Completely forgot I was in France. It's got a bit. I feel like I recognise it, but I kind of don't. I always do this. Come on these trips. I don't learn any of the language, and then I wonder why I don't know what's going on half the time. Oh well. My mum bought me a little phrase book just before I left. Probably need to study that a bit, I reckon. Kind of adds to the fun though, to be honest. There we go, look. Beach. Except I'm filming on an 8mm, so it's about 20 miles away for you lot. Oh well. Look at this. Absolutely winning. Yeah, there we go. Question is, do I start the video here and then jump back to England? Yeah, so you guys are over there somewhere, that away, and I'm over here. Got my Billy No mates on some wappy adventure that I dreamed up. It's brilliant. Oh god, what am I doing? I love it. It's day 1 of X, don't really know. This is mad. It's warm, but it's proper windy. The plan is, I'm not 100% sure. I think I'm going to go. I've been looking at the map today just to get a rough idea. I think I'm going to sort of go diagonally across France, right down to the bottom, go into Italy, and sort of go across the top of Italy. Last time I went to Italy, that was just a bad experience though. When I went last time, it was pissing it down with rain, thunder and lightning. Paid about 20 quid for a pizza. The fuel was expensive, so yeah, we'll see. But just pass through Italy, and then I want to go down that whole coast. I'm not sure what it is, but you know, with Slovenia or something, Croatia. I've not explored there. I think that'd be pretty boss down that side. Hopefully, by recording all this, number one, I can laugh at it in a few years' time, going through my mental impulse decision years, I suppose, get to look back at it. But also, it might be useful for, or hopefully it'll be useful for some of you guys maybe, or anyone else who's thinking about going travelling, whether it's on your own or not. I'm no pro traveller or anything. I mean, I've only done it twice. Done it once in this van and once in a little tiny van a few years ago. But both times I was with somebody else. So we shall see. We shall see. It's going to be fun. I know for a fact I'm going to get back to the van and the audio is going to be so shit I can't even use any of this. Yeah, so I'd love to put a video on every day, but don't know, see how we get on. Chances of that are pretty slim, I think. I don't have the luxury of the Wi-Fi back home. Yeah, sounds like this. You got the little camper. That's how you know. There she is, look. Oh, it looks so sick. I'll put you down while I'm doing my flipping fortress. The green, how does it look on there? It's about right, almost as it looks in person. It's very army, as you can see. But now, I think it suits my wheels a lot better, which you can't see with cameras. There we go. Yeah, there she is. It's all, I did it all roller. Same as last time, or I did brush last time, but the finish has come out a lot better this time. It's not perfect, like, you know, not amazing, but I don't really care, because again, it's like 50 quid of paint, but you stand literally a metre away and it looks fine. So I'd still be happy if I'd paid someone a couple £100 to do this.